Okay, guys, so in this assignment, what you're going to do is try to apply everything you've done during this rotation and put it into the very first part of a business plan. So you've learned a lot about the business idea, about how to define the problem that you guys are going to fulfill, or the need that you're going to fulfill with your solution or your product or the good or the service that you guys are going to sell. So now you guys will open a new spreadsheet, and here in the next couple of weeks, we are going to work on this business plan Google spreadsheet. Okay. Now, the first thing you're going to do is that you're going to create and rename um, the first tab, and you're going to call it Executive Summary. If you remember, the executive summary, even though it goes first in every single business plan, well, you have to develop it after you have done everything because it is a summary of all the process and the idea of your business. Okay, so you're going to leave it there, and we're not going to put anything because that's the final thing that you guys are going to do. And we're going to jump and create a new tab called Marketing Plan. Now, the very first thing that you guys talked about and learned this section was how to create a marketing plan, and that marketing plan contains these six elements. Okay, the business definition, the business model, the economic sector or industry analysis, the product or service description, the client definition, and the competitors. Now, where do you find how to do this? Okay, you can go and look at the business plan 15.1, where everything is explained, starting with the executive summary, the business definition. There are examples of the business definition, the business model. Then you have the economic sector. There are questions that you can answer in order to do this, the client definition, where to segment, and the segment of this client definition. You can also see a very nice explanation on the crash course or the ed puzzles that were assigned in this section, and then answer a couple of questions on that. And finally, the competitors. So here is where you're going to get the information in order to do that. Okay. Now, the way that you explain, write, all of the above, it's up to you. You guys have had a full year of design, of creative design, of graphical design, so you guys know how to make it nice, nice to the eye, or for somebody that wants to read it. Even though that a spreadsheet is mostly to put data and to work with that data and work with all the financial part, well, that's going to be a point that we're going to do later on. But since everything is going to be in one single file, we are going to do this marketing plan right here. So it's your job to be very creative about how to explain each of these items that you see on the business plan. Okay, of course, remember to share this file or share this document with me and put it on your Schoology. Okay.